Hello my dear students, I am going to start class 10 advanced maths exercise 4.3. It is the last part of this chapter. So let us see from question number 17. Let us start now. So here we have 3 to the power x equal to 9 to the power y. That implies 3 to the power x, these are 9 means 3 square, it is 3 to the power twice y. So for the same base we can say x equal to twice y. This is the relation number 1 say. Then the next equation is given here, and 5 to the power x plus y plus 1 equal to 25 whole to the power xy. So this can be written as 5x plus y plus 1. This will be 5 to the 5 here, 5 to the power 2xy. So since their base is same, so getting their powers, we can write here, this implies x plus y plus 1 equal to 2xy. Now, using one relation in using one, x can replace by twice y. X can replace by twice y. X can replace by twice y into y. This can be written as twice y plus 1 equal to 2 to the 4 y square. Then this can be written as y square minus 3y minus 1 equals 0. By using the middle term factor, we can factorize this one as follows. So it will be 4y square, that means y square minus 4y plus y minus 1 equals 0. That can be written as taking 4y is common, so y minus 1 plus 1 is common, so y minus 1 again equals 0. That means y minus 1 whole into 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. If we have given one equation this way, then first of all we have to express them as the power of 3. So equating the, since base is same, so equating their powers, we can say x equal to twice y. So next equation is given as 5 to the power x plus y plus 1 equal to 25 whole to the power xy. 25 means 5 square, so it will be 5 to the power twice y. Since base is same, so equating the powers x plus y plus 1 equal to twice xy. So since in relation 1 it is given x equal to twice y, so x can replace by twice y now. X can replace by twice y. Finally it will be twice y. X can replace twice y. Y plus 1 equal to 2 according to twice y into y. So it will be 4y square. Then this can be written as 4y square minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Let us try to factorize it middle term by using the middle term factor. So it will be 4y square minus 4y plus y minus 1. So from these two, 4y is common, y minus 1. 1 is common, y minus 1. So y minus y will be common again. Then according to 4y plus 1 equals 0. Now by using the either or, we can find the value of y. There will be two values of y like this. So it is given x equal to twice y. So let us simplify now. Therefore by using the either or, therefore y equal to, first one is 1, then other one will be minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Therefore when y equal to 1, then 1 plus x equal to twice y. This is plus x equal to into y is 1. So it will be x equal to 2. Again 1. X equal to 3, y equal to minus 1 by 4, then 1 plus x equal to 2 whole into minus 1 by 4. Let us start. So it will be then minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So therefore the roots are Therefore, required roots are, first pair of value is x equal to 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. And other pair of value x equal to minus half, minus 1. Minus half, minus 1. So these are the values of this 17 number question answer. So 18 number, let us solve this one. Here we have 8 to the power xy, 2 to the power x minus 1. This will be 2 to the power 3xy, 2 to the power x minus 1. For the same base, their powers will be equal. Equating their powers, we can write as this. So, then this can be written as, say, y equal to x minus 1 divided by 3x. These are relational ones. And for the next part, remaining part, it will be, and say 3 to the power y plus a equal to 9 5y plus x. This can be written as 3 to the power y plus y a equal to 3 square. It will be 3 square, 3 square means 2, 5 is 10, 10y plus 2x. 10y plus 2x. So for the same way, their powers will be equal. That is, their powers is y plus a equal to 10y plus 2x. This will be implies. So this can be written as twice x. So this can be written as y equal to this much. The value of y we can substitute here. Y will be equal to what? X minus 1 divided by 3x. 10 y. Y means x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 2x. So both sides let us multiply by 3x. If we want to multiply by 3x, then it will be x minus 1. 8 into 3x. 3x cancel, so 10, 1, 10x minus 10. And we have multiplied by 3x, so it will be 3 to the 6x. So for the further simplification, we can write here x minus 1, 24x, here 10x minus 10 plus 6x cube. So this can be written as 25x minus 1. This one we can take to the left side, it will be what? Minus 10x. And this constant will be as it is 6x square minus 10c. Then these two, if you want to subtract from one another, it will be 15x. And this one, it will be okay, it is minus 1. 25 minus 10, it will be 15. It will be 6x square minus 10. So let us further simplify. Y equal to given here, y equal to x minus 1 divided by 3x. So these are relational ones here. Then if we have this type of equation, then this one we should write first. Then if we want to express as a base of as a power of 2, 8 means 2 cube. The 3 will product with this one, power, we can multiply. This will be like this. So base is same base, so powers will be equal. Equating their powers, we can get this equation. Whereas y equal to this much. So from the second equation, we can say this one equal to this. 9 means 3 square. So 3 square means 2, 2 for the 10, 2x. So here base is 3, powers must be equal. So equating their powers, we can write this one. Yeah, y can replace by this one. Already we have calculated here in 1. So let us simplify further, multiply both sides by 3x. So it will be x minus 1, 8 into 3x, then 3x cancel, 10 into x, 10 on the 10, it will be 3x into 2x, so 6x squared. So let's wrap this one and let's complete the remaining portion this side. So for the further simplification we can write here, say 0 left side, it will be 6x squared. If it will go to the right side, then it will be minus 15x. Then minus term is already there, so this will go that side. So finally it will be minus 10 plus 1, so minus 9 will be here. Then if we want to write in this way, then it will be easier now. Let us divide each by 3, so it will be 2x here, divided by 3, 5x, divided by 3, it will be 3 each side. So by using the middle factor, we can write here 2x here. This is minus 6x here. So how can we get 6x here? 6x minus x. This no plus. So from 6x, if we subtract plus x, then minus x. If you want to multiply, then it will be 6x here. So this is possible to middle factor. And this 3 say equal to 0. So now let us common from these two. What will common here? 2x. So it will be x minus 3. Here plus 1 is common, so x minus 3 once again. That is equal to 0. So factorize is x minus 3 whole into twice x plus 1 is equal to 0. So by using the either formula, we can say x equal to 3 comma minus 1 by 2. So already we have got the value of x. So substituting these two values of x, we can get some likewise y also. So when x equal to 3, then number value lies y equal to x is 3 minus 1 by 3 is 3. Finally it will be 3 2, 3 is 9. Then again when what it will be? Again when y equal to, already we have got the value of y also in x. X equal to minus half. X equal to minus half. So the expression is x equal to minus half. 40 by 3 into minus half. This will be minus 3 by 2. And if you want to multiply this one, then it will be minus 3 by 2. Then this one cancel, it will be 1 only. So therefore equal roots are, so first value this is value of y. So for the value of x is 3, that is 3 comma 2y. Then other value will be what? Other value will be when it will be x, when x equal to minus half. Then y equal to minus half divided by minus, so minus half minus 1. So it will be minus 3 by 2. This will be multiplied, minus 3 by 2. Minus minus cancel, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 cancel, so finally 1 is left. So whenever x is minus half, whenever x is minus 1, x is minus half. Whenever x is minus half, then what will be y? Y will be 1. So this was the solution of this equation. Question number 19 is given here in this way. X to the power 3 by 2, so 1 by 3. Y to the power also 1 by 3 equal to 3c. And x plus y equal to 9. So let us solve this question. Here we have x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 equal to 3. Let us take the whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab a cube b cube thrice ab into a plus b equal to 27. So x plus y can be replaced by 9 using this one is one set. And this is number 1. And x plus y equal to 9 is 2 set. So now to implies x plus y can be replaced by 9. 3 x y whole power 1 by 3. And this value is given here what? 3 only. So this can be replaced by 3 only. So finally it will be 27. So 3 is a 9, here also 9. 9 can remove now from both sides. 1 plus 3, 3 cancel. So finally it will be xy whole power 1 by 3 is equal to, if we want to divide by 9, this one cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel after dividing, it will be 3 only. So 27 divided by 9, it will be 3 only. So let us further simplify now. So what will be the further simplify is equal to say xy whole power is 1 by 3 is equal to say it is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 only. 3 minus 1 is 2 only. So let us cube both sides. Then it will be xy equal to a whole cube. It will be 2 cube is 8. So y equal to 8 divided by x. Number 3c. Now, if this type of equation we have given, here we have first equation is the second one is that side. So taking whole cube on both sides, we can write a cube plus b cube plus 5c plus b. So this can replace by 3 only. So we have substitute here 3. So whole xy whole cube 1 by 3. So this value will be this one 9. So dividing all by 9 we will get this first relation. So from here xy whole cube 1 by 3 equal to say 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Finally this one. So taking whole cube on both sides, we will get xy equal to 8. Then y equal to 8 divided by x. So this is relation number 3. And this equation let us substitute in 2. So now 2 implies. Let us simplify 2 now. So now 2 implies. Now what is the value of y here? Value of y is plus 8 by y. 8 by x. Multiply both sides by x. X here. 8 minus. Then x here. Minus minus. Plus 8 equal to 0. By unit vector. X here. It will be minus 8x minus x plus 8 equal to 0. So from this you have common. It will be x minus 8. And 1 common, x minus 8. And again x minus 8 will be common. And x minus 1 will left is equal to 0. Therefore the equal roots are. So therefore y equal to given here 8 by x. Number 3c. So let us remove these one. So by using either one we can write x equal to 8, 1. Right? X equal to 8 then 2 plus x 8 plus y. Huh? X plus y equal 9. It will be 9 by 2. Then y equal to 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Again 1. Again when say next pair is given as x equal to 1. Again when x equal to 1, then what can I write? If x equal to 1, that implies number 2. If we want to substitute 1, then it will be number 2 implies x is 1 plus y. Instead of 9 only. So y equal to 8. Therefore equal roots are what are the roots now? First of all, x 8. So 8 comma 1. Then next one 1 comma 8. So these are the roots of this simultaneous equation. So last 21 number and so rest of 20 definitely will able to do. So let us see 20 number is 1. So if they are given x axis and y axis like this and one particular graph is given here. So this graph it will cut axis is at 2 points, y axis also at 2 points. So whenever it will cut x axis, then it will be a comma 0 or b comma 0. If we cut these 2 points and say 0a 0b, so in this way we can assume these one. So let us see 20 number is 1. So this is a given card. Let given card will cut x axis at a comma 0 and y axis at 0 comma 3. So on the x-axis, y coordinate will be 0, and on the y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. When x equal to x coordinate, y coordinate. So when y equal to 0, then 1 equals 0. That is, y can replace by 0 to x here. Y 0 0 plus x minus 0. Let us factorize this one. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. So it will be then x is common, it will be twice x plus 3. Minus 1 common, twice x plus 3. This can be written as twice x plus 3 whole into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 3 by 2, comma, x equal to 1. Therefore, given curve will come x-axis at first one is 0, 1 and second one minus 3 by 2, 0. There is a x coordinate A. So it will be 1, 0 and minus 3 by 2, 0. So these are the points where the given curve will cut x-axis at 1, 0 and minus 3 by 2, 0. So similarly, for the second part, let us see what are the points that is it will cut in the y-axis. So again when for the second coordinate x equals 0, when x equals 0, then 1 plus what it will be. X can be replaced by 0, so 0, 0, y square, x 0 twice y minus 3. Let us factorize this one, so it will be 1 3 x y square, so y square minus 3y plus y minus 3 equals 0. Let us take common y, so it will be y minus 3, and let us take common 1, y minus 3 here. This equals 0. Then finally can say minus 3 4 into y plus 1 into 0. Therefore, by making either or, it will be y equal to 3, comma minus 1. Again, when the given curve will cut y-axis at, what are the points? First one will be y-axis, so 0, comma minus 1, and other one will be 0, comma 3. So these are the points where this curve will cut y-axis at this 2 point and x-axis at previous pair of points. So that's all. This chapter is 4.3. That is at a time quadratic equation is already finished. Even more, if you need some remaining problem solution, you will claim me and you will tell me what to do for the remaining solution. If you can, then we will proceed to the other sums that is related to each other chapter also. So next chapter I will start first, that is set theory. So be ready all of you for that, and for each and every different chapters a number of different videos I will give. So all of you supposed to follow it and you will subscribe it, then only more and more videos you will get. Thank you all of you.